Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to resize a video on CapCut browser. All you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can you go and open in a browser, could be possibly working for you, and of course from there you would like to, after you open it, just go here to the URL, type capcut.com and hit the enter button. So for you, if it's your first time, you will not find this like me. You'll find another option that has two options to open the CapCut on browser, or you can just download it on your PC. Of course, we will have a video on how to do that in this channel, so just go and make sure to check it out if you want to download it on your PC. And at the top right corner you'll have two options of signing up or just logging into your account. If you don't have it, you can create your account. You can even create it with a Gmail if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you log in into your account, you'll find this this is as your page. You can open some recent projects, or you can just create a project right here. Let me just go and create a blank Canva. You will need to wait a bit until it loads. Of course, if you have it on your PC, it's downloaded in your PC, you'll not need to wait or anything. So of course from here I'm just going to upload a simple file or a small file to show you how to resize your video on this application. So of course once it's loaded right here, or once it's uploaded, simply you'll need to drag your video here, and as you can see your video will be right here. So make sure now to click on your video right here, and at the top right corner we'll have here the position and size. Of course you can like hide it or show it, and as you can see here we'll have the size. You can like zoom in, zoom out, or you can just enter that manually, maybe like 150%, and hit the enter button. As you can see it zoomed out. Maybe you want to do 50% and hit the enter button and zoom out now. So when you finish, just go and export your video and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.